All right, 31 degrees, attempting to repair. You can see the condition of the roof is very poor.
How to take the second sheet.
It's slipping.
But you have to change that one. So look at this. This happening when we take it off. Look at this. Oh, all right. We leave a hole there. Look.
All right, and on top
now
of
we
that,
have to change this one.
and on top of that, you can see the creasing here.
Yeah.
There's not very much granules here, but you can kind of see there's a fresh line going across right here.
We push it, protect the bed shingle.
And then on top of that, the sealant broke on these, so they're not going to seal back down.
We can do the repair.
And on top of that, I mean, you can see the condition of the roof here. There's no way this is ever going to be repairable.